Well, welcome back everyone, and a very good day to you. WealthCharts did amazing for me this week, taking me to new heights in my trading. I was able to utilize signals like the champion trend buy zone and the trail line and the champion cross zone, the wealth signal, the breakout forecasters to play longside trades in the morning right in front of folks in the active trader room over at becomeabettertrader.com. And I was able to utilize the signals in concert with each other. There's about 5 key indications that come with the Champion Trend Pack Toolkit, which is exclusive to WealthCharts, and it's been built by 35-time real money domestic on-site live real money trading champion Rob Hoffman. Now, he's taught me how to use the tools. I've utilized them to get into trades and, of course, manage the risk along the way. As you can see, us rising, moving into stage 2, stage 3 of the CTP sequence, getting pullbacks into the champion cross zone, pushing back up, and starting to see some negative divergences print. That divergence tracker on WealthCharts is incredible, but along this ride, I was able to utilize the tools to get in and out of positions, and I was able to gross largely in front of folks in the active trader room over $8,000. And that was in my prop trading accounts, and I was able to utilize the tools to make better decisions for how long I would hold the trades, how I would manage my risk along the ride. Now, over the course of the next week or two, we're going to see a lot of volatility likely in markets, and it's the best possible time that you could join us for an event right on, starting 8 days from now, on the 19th of January, first thing in the morning. It's an event you can enjoy right from the comfort of your own home or your home office, as so many of you watch us from there. We're in a marketplace that's in transition. If you go to joinziad.com and you want to learn the strategies and the tools that I employ, that Rob has built over decades of trading competition wins, well, I'm going to be right there with you multiple times through the summit, as will Rob Hoffman. He's going to be there for a mega event on Monday that you just can't miss. So I'm going to be kicking it off at around 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Rob's going to be coming in and sharing with you how he uses these competition-tested, competition-winning tools to utilize to make great trades in markets. And WealthCharts can't be anything but making it easier for you day in and day out. In fact, I've been able to take all of the other platforms that I've used, put them to the side and say, this is the area that I'm focusing in on because the signals work so well. Now, I can't wait to see you at the summit. If you want to learn a little bit more about the Champion Trend Pack Toolkit that is exclusive to WealthCharts, well, join me by going to joinziad.com. Get your seat now and a bunch of goodies that come in. And just wait, there's going to be some major announcements coming in on WealthCharts and what we're doing as a company overall first thing on Monday. On the summit, January the 19th. I can't wait to see you there. Go to joinziad.com, get your seat right now. You can click the link at the bottom of the email or the bottom of the video and get right there to get your seat now. Looking forward to seeing you there and sharing a lot more time with you across multiple sessions. Have a great, great rest of your day, and thank you for watching.